guys, I can't wait to introduce you to my friends. Come meet the Rescue Bears. Hey guys, look what we have. Oh my goodness, you're about to have some new friends. This big bundle of love is going to make more Rescue Bears. These are little bears that are made from, can you guess? Socks. We make these little bears from socks, and they rescue us from our loneliness, from our sadness, from our frustration. When it comes to taking your tests in school, sometimes you need a little something to hold on to, a little something to get you through the day, a little something that smiles back at you when you smile at it. And so that's what we make at the Institute for Positive Mental Health for kids and for teens. We make Rescue Bears.